All right, 200 miles in. I have no idea where we're at, but we stopped at they're not a sponsor, but the Golden Arch. So I'm not gonna talk about them. Just kidding. They served me through the drive-thru, so I'm pretty happy. So we're gonna get some food. We're gonna hang out. We're gonna talk bikes. So Brian and I, what's the name of your YouTube channel again?
Life of Brian.
Life of Brian. Like I said before, his link will be in my description. So he has the tab performance also. Zombie baffles?
Yep.
Okay, so perfect. We're gonna do a couple pulls to see if there's a performance difference between the cat and the decat version. And my decat is the 2-to-1. So yeah, watch that. All right, so check it out. So tab performance, they sent me this sweet ass cat delete. You know, normally I run over to Gabe's. We went in together, and he has a bigger, not bigger garage, but he has a garage that's a little less empty. My stuff is packed full, but anyway, it's a little less empty. So I usually run over to Gabe's to get some stuff done, throw it on the left, get it done. I started thinking about it last second. I was like, man, I'm taking this cat off. This cat is gonna get hot. So we're gonna do it right here on the floor. It's what I call ghetto garage. I want to take a quick moment to thank Tab Performance, giving me this. Me and the guys there, the owner, we've communicated back and forth a bunch of times about products. So I got this. I'm gonna test it. I'm gonna install this myself. So then that way everybody else can see what it goes through, what it takes to have it done. And then I'm gonna shoot some sound and install video. So I appreciate Tab Performance. Check them out. Those guys have been really cool to me, and everybody that I've talked to have had really good experiences with them. So this is it. So I'm gonna get down here and show you guys. So this big ass thing here is the catalytic converter.
Let me see.
So you see that, honey?
Yeah.
That is the catalytic converter. We're gonna take that off.
How?
Okay, how we're gonna do that? Good question. That's a really good question, Riding Minnow. We're gonna do that by taking off the heat shield, which are held on by these wire clamps here. Then we're gonna take this bolt off there. We're gonna take this connection off here. We're gonna do that bolt, and there's another bolt on the other side.
Is it gonna fall with that much weight on this side and barely any weight on this side?
That's a good question. It is not gonna fall. This is a 2-to-1. I am gonna be running a ghost pipe on the left-hand side of the bike when you're sitting on it. Okay, so I was so focused on the heat shields that I forgot to take the bags off. So here we are, the bags are off, heat shields off. We're gonna take the mufflers off so we can slide that. So we're gonna slide that. Looks a little like a spring, or maybe the Chief Classic. So yeah, it looks kind of like the Chief Classic right now. So yeah, bags come off, mufflers come off, then cat off. It's just that one.
Dude, this thing is huge.
That is big.
The thing is fucking long.
Oh, the thing is so big and long. So she said. What?
This antenna.
You gotta take the antenna off too?
You see it's right here, and the antenna is sitting right in front of it.
Why are you going? Well, how are you doing? Why you have to do that?
Because it'll be.
It helps it break up.
Make it be slippier. Yeah. Just higher up, you're still pinching a little. There we go.
So much easier.
That's okay. There it is, baby.
I think it's ginormous.
Big ass. Is it heavy? Is it heavier than 1 pound?
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, wow.
Feel how heavy it is?
Yeah.
You wanna go over there and look at it?
Ooh.
Yeah. Let's come over here. Or here, let's weigh it first. Oh, no, be careful, leave that. Okay. So, the other one was what, 1 pound, 3 ounces? Okay. We can see that it says 0.
I'll 11 pounds?
11 pounds.
Oh.
This bad boy just dropped 8 pounds. What was it? Was it 11? Literally 8 pounds lighter. So let me show you guys what we got so far. This battery's gonna go. There's the header pipe. A couple bolts off here. This little bolt there. Oh. We just dropped 8 pounds, baby. Shoot, how long did it take you to lose 8 pounds?
And then a quarter, and you're good to go.
All right, so here we go, guys. Just show you, we put it on. It's not all the way on yet, but just to show you. So it goes here. This bolt here holds that. It shoots across. Ugh. Goes there, goes there. So, and then ghost pipe here. We still got more to do, but dude, it's so sick. But look at how stainless steel. I mean, these weld jobs are just top notch. Yeah, it's good. And like I said, man, 8 pounds less. All right, guys, so here we go. Check it out. Whoop. Headers, 2 to 1, nothing this way, into a zombie baffle. And I don't have a Z-ring. I don't know, maybe I should have a Z-ring. Might have to look into that.
Z-ring?
Yeah, they make a little Z-ring. It says it stands for zombie, but adds a little back pressure. Oh. So yeah, it's that coming along.
That could help even more.
We're almost done. All right, so here we go, guys. Let's see. Oh, but if we start it, we'll just start it for a second. Yeah. We're gonna fire this up.
Yeah, we'll cool down while we're putting the other side down.
Here, come over here. It's what I call ghetto garage. There we go. It's much different. Any leaks? Huh? Any leaks? Nope. I'm gonna rev it. Don't rev it. It's too loud. Holy shit. Oh. All right. Yeah, it's loud. It is not. Yeah, that's loud.
That hurts.
All right, so here we go. We got it on here. It's all bolted and go. Oh yeah, I started it for you guys. We got the passenger side on. We just got to put these heat shields on, my bags on, and then that's it. Ready to rock. And then I'm gonna go for a ride. See what these are like. All right, so this job took us 2 hours with a lot of not exactly sure what we were doing. So it took us 2 hours. It wasn't hard. If I was to do it again, I could probably whip it out much faster. But here's the finished product. It's kind of dark. We started late. It was icy and cold this morning when we started, so we waited for it to get a little warmer, but wanted to just show you. And then let's see if we can get under here. Oh, my puddle light. Oh.
I was like, you might even be able to
see the puddle light kick on or no?
Nope, not yet.
Where's my key?
There it is.
There it is. Okay. So since the puddle light's on, I'll show you guys. There's nothing there. Nothing. Like my hand just goes right over. So, all right, I'm gonna run up and down this road real quick and piss my neighbors off. Okay. Oh yeah, that's all I can see.
So you could probably take the country road and back real quick. I could still hear him going around the block. As you can tell, you can still hear him. He's about 2 blocks away right now, by the way. Okay, I can hear him coming back. He's not here yet. This is Tap Performance 2-in-1 catalytic converter remover. I heard you almost all the way down the road. You're like 3 blocks away. I can still hear you.
Dude, I went a mile away.
Yeah, I still heard you. I heard you coming back.
I broke traction in fucking 3rd gear. I don't know if it's because
I'm recording right now too, by the way. So
what'd you say?
I'm recording right now too.
Oh.
I'm like, I was putting on my chaps, and all of a sudden I hear. I'm like, oh, there he comes.
These are really fucking loud. It's really weird hearing it out of only one side too, by the way, because it's
all on
obvious
your
that
right.
it's out of that one side. Wow.